This is Final Ninja Dog and
Meerkats and Monkeys, Meerkat Movies and Meerkats Advertising.
And we're on New Super Mario Bros. Wii. We're going to do both of these levels with the red blocks now. Makes life much easier. All you do is we'll press this block, and as you can see, there comes a message saying all the normal blocks have turned to red blocks, and this block has changed. If you want to change it back, you just step on the other one. But we're going to need it like that in order to actually complete the level. We're going to do both of these with blocks, but first of all we're going to do World 3 Level 4 with blocks.
No, the other one hasn't changed colour.
Yes. See, now the red blocks are here. Makes life much easier for us.
Who cares about them?
Well, you have to care about them because it's the only way that you're actually going to complete the level and get to the castle.
Oh.
Now.
Oh, I don't need that.
Or you can get some more points. Okay. So as you can see, you can reach the unreachable now.
This always takes
but
me a
Luigi
while.
can't at the moment.
Oh.
I'll just stand up here. That's why it's always best to have two players holding on to each other.
Oh.
Get lost, you stupid Koopa.
Oh, sorry.
No.
There. That's the easy way out of this. I should have just made myself a
That's
bubble.
how to make a long story short.
Should have just made myself a bubble, to be honest.
Like so. I'm not sure if you still keep your item when you have the penguin or helicopter or something, and you want to go into a bubble. Onwards!
Oh, God. Go down. Oh, actually no, sorry, I thought somewhere else.
Onwards!
Right, here we go for my favourite part in the whole level.
See? Now you can stand here. And jump from square to square.
And jump on him.
Yes?
Or die. Depends who you're playing as, me or Jeff.
And fight Koopa with Koopa.
Fuck you up. Right, wait for me, because this is my favourite part in the whole level.
What, trying to guess which block it is? Okay, if you just come over here quickly and I'll take care of the
Or you kill me first. Hey.
Okay, now you can get your penguin. If I hit it, might be a good chance. Here you go. You can have that penguin there. Now we've both penguins. And instead of going up top, we can always go down below.
But it seems that our Final Ninja Dog died. Right,
yes.
Don't go through the hole, remember.
Because I'm going too fast.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know we were going too fast. Right, hit that while I'm on it and see if you can hit the bottom question mark box and see if it makes me hit the top one.
Oh, we've got labs. Well, let's go through this pipe.
So this is the bit we couldn't show you earlier, but we can show you now.
And this is how you throw an ice block at a goon. I'll grab an ice block and I'll just simply throw it.
Right,
see, it's just like with the Koopa shells. You have to slide onto them.
Shall I get the coins or not? Bother.
No, it's not really worth it. It's just like with the Koopa shell, the ice blocks are, because you get to slide them across. Right, let's go up the pipe, and we're in a whole new place.
This is the way it's meant to end.
Okay, if you stand on me, on my ice block, I'll be able to give you maybe not the death.
I'm glad I jumped out of that, otherwise we'd have had to done that again.
I was planning on jumping and then throwing him on the ice. Well, looks like we got a mushroom shop at the beginning of the game, the level.
You're lucky I worked that one out, otherwise we both died.
Yeah, the beginning of the world now, there's going to be a mushroom, I think. Or maybe here. No, it's there. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, check out our channels, and stay tuned. Goodbye.